How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. After that, tap on the Instagram application. Make sure that you have this professional mode on. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down and you can see the option of created tools and controls. Now this option is available only if you have your professional mode or professional account. Tap on it, then scroll down and you can see the option of switch account type. Tap on it and then you can just tap to switch to personal account and you will be able to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.